Hello guys, welcome back to Israel Otejamu channel. So today I'll be talking about how to add tags to your WordPress website. This is a very common thing and a necessary thing when it comes to website optimization, not just for WordPress but also for Blogger, the Blogger platform and other platforms. So basically, just yesterday, someone called me and was asking me on how she could add tags to her blog posts. And this is because it has a way of optimizing your articles or posts on search engine. It also helps in increasing your visibility on search engine, and it helps in optimizing your keywords. When you put your keywords in tags, it has a way of helping your visibility on Google search engine and other search engines. So today I'm talking about how you can add tags to your WordPress website. So this is one of our websites. We don't really use it, it's just there. We just built it there. We bought the domain, and the longer the domain, the more valuable it becomes. That's why we just bought it down, and hopefully we'll use it for something else over time. So right now, the first thing you have to do is you have to go to your dashboard. Go to your dashboard. Then from the dashboard, you go to the post you want to add the tag. Let's go to all posts. Now let's say, okay, we have two sample posts here. You have the one for watch the video film, the video, the best feature in my opinion. So let's work on watch the video film video. Now this is it. Well, for the mere fact that I just refreshed it. We are using a phone. All you need to do is this. For those using desktop or computer, I'm pointing on my computer because I'm far away from home. So what they need to do is go to the right hand side. Before you get to the featured image or to the category area, you would see the tag. But for the purpose of this tutorial that we're using phone, all I need to do is I need to click on this tool or settings icon. It takes me to the menu, which is post or blog. Now we are interested in the posts. What you need to do is you need to scroll down. We have the template, we have the permalink. I hope you know the permalink. It talks about the link of the website. That's what's going to display the URL of the post or the web or the particular post you are editing and you would like to go live. So we have the categories and we have the tags. Now this is the tag area. All you need to do is add the tags. For example, the video. Or let's say the video film song. We can also call it download the video film song. So by default, you'd see that these are the major keywords that we would ordinarily use for this blog post. But we've also added it to the tag, so but it has a way of optimize getting this. It's going to help in getting this post optimized on search engine. So the same thing applies here. You know, the keywords have been inputted in the tags, and as such the search engine has more information to rank this particular post. Since we've added it, all we have to do now is we click on update. So if you are using a desktop or a laptop, all you need to do is to go to the right hand side. After the category, you see the tags, update, and you are good to go. So please, if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to this channel, tell your friends about this channel, so we can have more persons that will be skilled up this year. So have a great day, and thanks for checking on us. Have a good day. Bye.